Mar monna abe kotsi man. Monna abe danger gefare man.
Guys, let me tell you now, there's something about indota enobukinzanyana. Like, keep your skrs, let me tell you. Indota man mele even nobu danger gevaarlik. Don't enter.
How? Kajan, maj, kajan.
Men happy dangerous man.
Men are calling out women for being hypocritical, okay? Rightfully so. For now romanticizing Ket Madlala, the very same man accused of allegedly attempting to take a life of a woman amongst all the crimes leveled against him. May I add, this is amid the Purple movement against GBV? Some of these women are the very same Purple gang that were out here on the streets fighting against the violence towards women and kids. And of course, everyone joined because that is a good cause. However, now they are praising lasting over smitten by Ket Madlala, the very same man who is in prison for attempting, amongst other things, to wipe out a woman. Now men feel like women are so hypocritical, so unpredictable, and they will leave you literally in the desert without water. So the confusion is real amongst men because 1 minute women are out here marching against GBV, the next, this is what they say.
I heard the voice of Wismus Kurt McCollum. I was like, okay, let me check out this guy. I saw his shirt, his pants. I didn't see his shackles for some time. I saw his shoes. I was like, kind of happy with the price of these shoes. Shamila Batoy, I mean, hey, see, I'm doing it. It is Christmas Day right now.
Mara re tlo bolela neng ka Ket Madlala ka gobane ke bona re la utamela le monne ke yena yo monne la ko re yo zanga ka rata di just snacks so mo pelong baka monne le rata di just snacks and bona monne la ana molato ba molokoleng
And this reminded me of something. I remember seeing or reading somewhere that women will romanticize any man with money, no matter how abusive that man can be. Women will cry abuse depending on the abuser's financial stand, because majority of women are driven by poverty mentality and nothing else. Majority of women end up in these horrific situations like the Botobechani because they overlook everything just to attain that luxury-looking lifestyle. Someone even said while she was dating this man, she never saw anything wrong. She didn't even mind or had a problem with this man being married. She didn't mind causing pain to another woman, whether or not the wife knew. She was happy he was spending on her. She was happy she was traveling the world, wearing these expensive clothes, getting girlfriend allowance. She didn't care about how dangerous this man is, for as long as she was getting what she wanted from him. She only cared and started speaking when he became dangerous to her. Otherwise, if it didn't become dangerous to her, she would still be in it. But no, things like this are not supposed to be mentioned because all of a sudden people will be saying, oh, you're victim blaming. How about a spade is a spade is a spade? Anyway, men are calling women out. They are seeing right through the BS.
While nisafaka ama-status aphephule nilwa ne-gender based violence bafethu nenza into enhle kangaka anoke nibhekene ama-comments osisi benu kuma-video akhethi Madlala la khona disclose khona indlela aphila ngayo anoke nibhekene ama-comments nikhumbule futhi ukuthi Domjida waboshelwana uqala kwakhe ukuboshwa nje beboshiwe nje waboshelwa icala lokuzama ukubulala intombi yakhe ukuglama nayo yabo fethu lento i-abuse i-exista kubantu abahluphekayo kuphela kulabo aba-rich amantombazana afuna ukuyinyathela ngenyaka bese ngathi ayi-exist but abekho abantu aba-abusive njengabantu aba-rich ngoba bayi-in control ngokusuke kufana nokuthi bayak-owna but amantombazana wafuna nokuyikhuluma leyo nto leyo yabona manje ufuna ukulungisa kahle lento ye-gender base mina nganitshela ngathi anolwa nediscipline yalabantu aba-victimizwayo kuqala nilwe nabo kuqala nilungise bona kuqala cause vele ba ama-victim egcineni but ama-consequences asuke edalwa yilokho i-discipline yabo hayi ngeke fana bayayiphosa nje nomkuphi yazi ngingakutshela isimanga ukuthi ungasuka la nepholo lakhe elimanzi uhambe lokushini ngolosihlanu ebusuku ongalazi lokishi mhlawumbe uhambe la muntu maka wahlangana namantombazana ebusuku bathi asambeni azongena emotweni ngitshela azongena emotweni anokenilo nediscipline yabo sisiqala manifuna ukulwa kahle negender based abafuni nokuyizwa ke leyo nto ke.
Now let's continue this in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.